Don't use it for anything. There's no batteries or anything in there. As I've said, the batteries are all in this hollow stock at the back. It is easily removable by using this collar to pull it down and take it out. And that leaves the barrel here. Now the barrel here is held in by 2 grub screws and this locking Allen head nut here, and there is no wobble whatsoever on this. I've had emails asking me if I've experienced barrel wobble on the Jing Gong M16. This is the Jing Gong M16A4 and it is rock solid. There's no barrel wobble whatsoever on it. Very interesting design here. This whole front section, the front iron sights and the outer barrel are held on to this inner barrel by using 2 grub screws just down here. You can undo those grub screws and take the whole lot off. 2 grub screws locking this in place, and also on the underside you have this Allen key bolt. And when we come to here, there are 2 grub screws, one here, which holds this whole outer section in place onto this barrel, and inside here you have your inner barrel. Yeah, it's easy as that to put back on. A nice feel to the plastic. Forward iron sights, they're cast. A little adjustable pin in the middle, as in all M16A4. This one has the forward sling attachment point hanging down at the bottom, which I consider as standard on M16A4s. I know you can get the side mount, but this one doesn't have it on. Forward iron sights along with the forward sling attachment point. This is die cast, as all this is metal die cast. These pins hold this in forward to the flash hider. The flash hider is screwed on with a Toki Marui standard thread and has a little grub screw at the bottom holding it in place. Now, those of you who have seen the video on the chrono readings for this will know that it's a little hot for the UK, especially urban sites, if I were to take it to an urban site, and in fact it's too hot for the woodland site I play at. So what I've got is a Toki Marui velocity reducer. I've done the chrono video showing how that works and the impact it has on the velocity. And it's a simple matter. Undo the grub screw, remove this outer flash barrel and screw on the velocity reducer with the appropriate band on it. Fire select is the same as on all M16A4s. You have safe, one switch is to semi and the next switch is to auto. Now the only thing I've done here is, again, I've highlighted in white. They don't come highlighted in white, they're just black, so they stand out more. At the moment it's pointing to safe. This is semi for semi-automatic fire. And this is auto for full automatic fire. The only thing I've done here is I've highlighted these in white so they stand out. They don't come this way. Now, another accessory that you can get for this, or any M16, but I think it looks particularly nice on this one, is this. Now, this cost me £4, $8 from rsov.com. It's a bayonet. It's plastic. This is plastic as well. It's rubber, so you can bend it. It will still poke someone's eye out, I might add, so we're not allowed to use these in our urban environments. But as you can see, it's soft rubber, you're not going to cut yourself with it. And I actually think once it's fitted on the M16, it looks awesome. So it's just an accessory. You can carry it on your kit. It's got some clips on the back here that locks it in place, so it won't come off. And you just unclip it and take it off when you don't want it. It's still a nice item for $8, £4 to have with your kit. There's just a little accessory there that I thought I'd mention because I specifically purchased it to go with this. So there it is, my Jing Gong M16A4, and if I run out of ammo I can always have a go at stabbing people with it. Please remember the bayonet, the scope, the ready mag, this pistol grip and the highlighting don't come with it. I've added all those since I've had it. But the basic rifle that I've gone through is the M16A4 made by Jing Gong, and I think it's very nice. Anyway, thanks for watching.